A white couple's world was turned upside down when their newborn's routine iris scan yielded an astonishing result: a match with an adult black male. This should have been impossible, as irises, like fingerprints, are unique to each individual. The doctor, seemingly aware of the implications, quickly dismissed the anomaly as a system glitch and overrode the baby's data. Shortly after, the couple received an alarming call from the hospital. They claimed that their child's urine sample contained molecular compounds potentially linked to autism and urged them to return for further testing. However, upon arriving at the hospital, the couple sensed that something was off. The so-called test merely involved showing the baby a series of images and observing which one the child focused on more intently in each set. The images included a red barn, a white fast food restaurant, and a mixed-breed Basenji dog. Curiously, when shown a photograph of a black woman, the baby suddenly froze, as if recognizing her, and then burst into tears. Disturbed by this bizarre occurrence, the couple decided to end the strange examination, suspecting that the hospital was hiding something. Determined to uncover the truth, they used the name of the fast food restaurant from the image to track down its location. The husband, Ian, immediately set off to investigate. At first glance, the fast food joint seemed unremarkable. However, while wandering around the small town, Ian's path was suddenly blocked by a herd of cattle crossing the street. In conversation with the young cowgirl herding them, he was shocked to discover that her name was strikingly similar to that of the black man whose iris scan had matched their babies. Probing further, Ian learned that the man was the girl's father. Astonishingly, he also encountered the dog from the photograph and the black woman. Ian, perplexed, expressed his desire to meet the girl's father but was informed that he had passed away. Returning home, Ian and his wife remained utterly baffled as to why their child's iris structure was identical to that of a deceased black man, and why the baby had such a strong reaction to those specific images. Even more chilling was the fact that the man's time of death coincided with the wife's pregnancy. These uncanny coincidences seemed to defy scientific explanation. Suddenly, Ian realized that Dr. Simon, who had conducted the child's examination, must know something. Upon hearing the name, Ian's friend Jack revealed that he was acquainted with Dr. Simon, as they were among the 5 individuals with access to the iris database. To test a bold hypothesis forming in his mind, Ian gathered all the eye photographs he had collected over the years, and, with Jack's help, entered them into the database for comparison. They also input information about every deceased relative they could think of. Surprisingly, no abnormalities were found, and no other instances of matching iris structures emerged. That is, until Ian's wife suddenly remembered the name Sophie, Ian's ex-girlfriend who had died 7 years prior. Jack promptly entered her name into the database, hoping to finally unravel the mystery behind their child's inexplicable iris scan results. Movie title: I Origins.